Take out the machine and all the accessories. Use a screwdriver to fix the accessory holders on the machine. Fix the laser applicator holders on the two sides of the machine. There are two spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber cells and 2 large rubber cells on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it's not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the IRF handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the small laser applicators to the machine. Connect the large laser applicators to the machine. Put all the handpieces and laser applicators into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. Then the starting interface will appear. The default function is 40K. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Energy range is 1 to 9, 2 to 4 is recommended. Please note, the handpiece can work properly only when the energy level is above 1. Adjust the energy level based on individual endurance. Mode selection. Mode A is constant working mode, suitable for those who have sick fat accumulation and need to reduce fat. Mode B is discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Mode B is recommended for first-time users. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply dedicated gel to the target area evenly before treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like jewelry on customer's body. Those who have metal implants in their body cannot take this treatment. It cannot be aimed at the heart and bones. Press vacuum function button. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. Suction time adjustment. Range 0 to 9. 1 to 7 is recommended. Release time adjustment. Range 0 to 9. 0 to 5 is recommended. When release time is 0, the handpiece is in the state of constant suction. Two to 4 energy level is recommended. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply essential oil to the target area evenly before treatment. Do not use thick cream products in case there's blockage. There is a knob for adjusting suction on the right side of the machine. Adjust it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, Turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Press IRF function button. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 2 to 4 NS level is recommended. Mode selection. Mode A is fixed mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Mode B is smart mode. The red light goes on and the energy slowly reaches preset level after start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Mode B is recommended for first-time users. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply dedicated gel or essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press Phase RF function button. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 2 to 4 NS level is recommended. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply dedicated gel or essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press Body RF function button. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 2 to 4 NS level is recommended. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply RF cream evenly before treatment. Press the large laser applicator function button. Set parameters. 20 to 30 minutes is recommended. 2 to 4 NS level is recommended. 3 modes. A. Constantly on, suitable for those who have severe fat accumulation. B. Low frequency flash, suitable for those who want to shape body. C. High frequency flash, suitable for those who are slightly fat and want to slim down. Mode B is recommended for first-time users. Press button to begin the treatment. Wrap the strap with proper length around the target area. Fix the large laser applicator into the strap. Please note, time can be prolonged if you use this laser applicator alone. If you use it in conjunction with massage techniques or other handpiece treatment, time should be set within reasonable range. Press the small laser applicator function button. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 2 to 4 NS level is recommended. Press button to begin the treatment. Wrap the strap with proper length around the target area. Fix the small laser applicator into the strap. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.